I had planned some more mods for my M92 PAP. One was the Tapco G2 double hook trigger, and the other was the Krebb's trigger pin and hammer pin retaining kit. Most of their stuff says they don't fit Yugos, and they're not kidding. My M92 PAP, and I'm sure most of the others do, have a low trigger pin, so this actually will not retain the trigger pin when you install it. It's off by, the retaining hole's off by about an eighth of an inch or so. So if you're thinking about buying one, don't buy one. I need to talk to Krebb's and see if they're going to make one that works, or I'm not sure. And the other was the Tapco G2 double hook trigger kit. I bought this after waiting forever and ever and ever to find one in stock, and I come to tear the gun down, and the hammer and the disconnector are both Tapco G2s. The only thing that wasn't was the actual trigger assembly itself. I have some footage after I'm done talking of comparing the stock trigger with the Tapco trigger, and there's merely a 1/16 of an inch difference to the advantage of the G2. It has a 1/16 of an inch less travel, so you can definitely kind of feel it, but for $30, I mean, you're just pretty much picking up spare parts. So thanks for watching.